Hello everyone, let's discuss the tips for practicing the IELTS tests. First of all, familiarize yourself with the test format. That means understand the structure and the format of the various sections that comes in the IELTS examination. Second, use official practice materials. The official IELTS practice materials are the best source as they closely resemble the actual test. Third, practice time management skills. Well, you need to develop your time management skills for each section of the test to develop your basic ability to be comfortable and get in the pace with the examination, especially in the case of the reading module. Fourth, listen to English language media. Listening to English language media such as news, broadcasts, podcasts, TV shows or audiobooks can help you improve your cognitive skills. Read everything. Read a variety of materials including news articles, academic papers and fiction to improve your comprehension skills and vocabulary. Sixth, practice writing regularly. Start reading sample essays and then practice writing essays, reports or letters on a regular basis to develop your writing skills. Seventh, speak with fluent English speakers. Practice speaking with confident and fluent speakers to improve the ability of understanding and responding. And the last, eighth, take official practice tests. Take the practice tests to simulate the experience of the actual IELTS exam and identify areas where you need improvement. Follow us for more such tips.